Hey there everybody, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna find out who wins the 5K subscribers milestone magic giveaway. But before we get into the draw, I want to thank all of you once again for your support. Boys and girls, without your engagement, none of this would be going down. So thanks a lot. And then two of you decided to actually support me financially on Patreon. And that is freaking amazing. So, Brian Rappert, thank you so much. Martin Schmidt, thank you so much. I'm so excited about gathering a bigger group so that we then together can bring OTHMARIUS Magic to the next level. And you guys are the first on board. And that is freaking awesome. Thank you so much. All right, having said all that, I guess it's time to find out who wins the Ultimate Card Magic Starter Pack, shall we? I think so. OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. All right, guys, I've got here a bunch of blank cards, all cards blank, and each card representing one of you. And now I'm shuffling these cards to get them real mixed. And guys, I do not have any interest in manipulating this here, so I'm really shuffling these cards the best I can. All right, let's give it one more shot and then we should be good. So now let's take the top card here, which shall represent the winner of this contest. So now it's time to bring in my magical powers. As you can see, I'm already working on it. Just very, very, very magical. And there should be the winner right now. And it is Rudolf Rassen. Rudolf Rassen, you just won. Where is it, Sharpie? Rudolf Rassen, you just won the contest. Congratulations. This is so wonderful. And you know, I think you really deserve it, because if I place your card back here in the center of the pack, Rudolf, check it out what's happening. You're guessing. You're jumping back to the top. Of course, guys, I wrote all of your names on a blank card. So we got here Trinity, we got Bill LaFay, we got Pro Fortnite, we got Seth Raven, we got C. White, we got Flying Wee, we got Schlin, we got Victor Hugo, we got the Disco King, we got K. Wade, Walter Olson, and Paul Weatherby. Guys, even America's most bizarre magician participated on this contest. Oh boy. Paul, I hope you are well. Keep the magic strong, I guess it is, right? Now, Rudolf Rassen, I have one more question for you. What colors do you prefer your decks? Because you are getting a bee, a bicycle, and a tally-ho. Do you want to have them all blue? Do you want to have them all red? Or in any combination, whatever you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And also, I will send you an invitation link via the comments for this special YouTube chat option that nobody actually uses. Anyway, I will send you an invitation link, follow the link, and then you shall use this chat connection for sending me your postal address, and then I will send you the Ultimate Card Magic Starter Pack. That is 3 decks with the colors that you choose, a Furnier close-up mat, a very beautiful close-up mat, and a paperback version of the Royal Road to Card Magic. I'm gonna send you the whole package ASAP. That's how we roll. And everybody else, just keep cool now. Please do not lose your shit. You can't always win, right? But take it easy. You will get another chance to participate on a great giveaway contest, because I'm gonna do more of that. Because with positive future predictions, as this channel keeps growing steadily, OTHMARIUS Magic might very well hit the 10K subscribers milestone even within this year. Are you kidding me? No, seriously, with the 10K subscribers milestone, I'm going to give away the Expert Card Magic set, and that's a nice one, really, with some beautiful decks, and yeah, this is gonna be amazing. So in case you're new to the show, I'd really love to welcome you as a new subscriber. Make sure to hit double combo subscribe and notification bell icon next to the subscribe button to get guaranteed notifications on future activities on this channel. Everybody else, thanks for tuning in right now. I hope you enjoyed this ride. You know the drill. If this was worth your time, smash that like button. And also, please check out my Patreon site. I would really appreciate it if you give it a thought, you know, supporting me also financially via this platform. This would really help me a lot. And that's that. My name is OTHMARIUS, and this is just what I do. You be sure now, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon. And that's the sound of losers falling into the abyss.